But what we can observe is that price is reacting around this options level. Okay. So after getting rejected here, so price has come back and trying to hit the support level, which is 294.45. Now we will be observing the price. Okay. If in case price, so after hitting, price has come and hit this level. Now it has to fall actually. Okay. Quickly, actually, it has to fall now. The reason is price is trying to take the support at the important level, right? Okay. So if price trying to take the support and also it is showing the support buildup by trying to hit our important level. It is trying to show the support by hitting the important level. Okay. So after getting rejected from this level, price directly went and hit this level. It fell and formed the independent candle. Again, price went and hit the level. Now again it is trying to fall. So in this case, it has to fall. It has to fall now. So without hitting this level again. Okay. That's why we will observe this stock. In case if price close above this level, okay, that too with the volume. So if price close above 294.45 with the volume, okay, then we will close this trade at cost. We'll see what happens. Trying to break strongly, okay. So as of now, there is volume also. If this continues to fall, then there's no issue. We may get the target, okay. We'll see what happens around this level. Still, this level has some importance. So we can also see that how these sellers are changing. You could see there is green. You could see. So here there are more sellers in the put compared to call. So as of now, we could see that there are more sellers in the call compared to put. Okay. So this is telling us that okay, 295 is converting as the resistance. But still, these two levels are still acting as the support because there is no change in these stocks or these strike prices. Okay. So we can also see the rejection around this level, right? So with the volume. So if this candle, okay, in case if this candle close above this level, maybe we'll have to revise our target to the cost, okay? Because if this one fails to break, now the force, there is a force in this candle, right? So whenever fresh force comes, that force should give some indication of the momentum, okay? So with this force, price has to close below this level, okay, which is 293.5. If it fails to close below this level, then we can say that okay, whatever the force has come, so they are not enough. They have not enough strength to continue the trend. Okay, so that will be our analysis. So in that case, what we will do is that we will just move our SL to the cost. Now also we will have to move the SL to the cost. Okay, because this level has already acted as a support. So now we will move our SL to the cost now. Hello. We could see that we got our target, which is 292.5. Okay. So let me explain the reason behind taking this stock for the trade and how the entry was made. As you know, Nifty had broken very important level and opened below. This tells us that market is weak and want to continue in the down direction because it was trying to fall. Okay, after hitting this level, it did try to take the support and move in the up direction, but again it was fallen. Okay, so it's the second time it made the attempt to break this level. Okay, so but it couldn't able to break below this important level. So again here in the last session it had opened strong. Okay, but couldn't able to break above this important level and close above. Okay, so all this case was showing us that maybe price is in sideways and can either continue to fall below this level or from here also it could have fallen. Otherwise, we knew that breakout can also happen above this level. Okay. So Nifty was weak, right? So Nifty we had buying, buying, short side, breakout sell, right? So we could see that price was directly opened below important level, and it was also showing the intention to move in the down direction. We could see that it was making lower low legs. Okay, so this trend continues. So with this, we come to the conclusion that okay, we have to look for the trade in the down direction. And for the down direction trade, we had three stocks which are SBI Life, ITC, and Bajaj Finserv. Okay, so when you come to the SBI Life, SBI Life did not form any support actually. So we could see started falling. Okay, so there is no support formation actually. If this was the case, okay, if price had formed this support and if that one was broken with the volume, then we could have taken the entry here. Okay, that did not happen in SBI Life. And in Bajaj Finserv, we could see that first 5 minutes kind of low was holding. Okay, so this was also not broken. But when it comes to ITC, we could see after price from the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, so price stopped there. Okay, you could see the support formation. Okay? So this one made the new low, but couldn't able to close below. So it again went and closed above this level. Okay, and also we could see that there's complete reduction in the volume. So volume started decreasing. So once for the first time when the volume comes, so we could see that it has formed the resistance, and also after this volume, price has broken below. Okay, so which is telling us that participants who are entering, they are trying to take the price in the down direction. Since we are trying to take a trade in the down direction, okay. So and the first participants also trying to take the price in the down direction. So this is a good opportunity for us to take the trade in the down direction because we are also looking for the breakout trade. Okay, so whenever there is breakout trade, there will be quick reaction. Either it has to quickly fall or quickly rise. So from any level. Okay, so we could see that after this, with the volume, this low was broken. Okay. So the support, so the level which is holding as the support, so that was broken with the volume, and also you could see that it has made the new low. Okay. So since these two candle makes the resistance, okay, with the volume, so we just formed two red candle with the volume, which the second candle was closed below the previous candle low. So these two makes the resistance. So that's why. So after all this quick action, okay, price started to hold this level. First participants have come, okay, and that is the volume. First time volume has shown. So after this price aligned in the down direction and also has broken the support. Okay. So if price has to fall, it has to quickly fall from this level. Okay, this level. So we have taken the entry at this candle low and SL was placed above this candle. Okay. Then we started waiting. So here could see that this is the important strike price. Okay, after hitting this volume, so they did try to again hit this level, which means they might have tried to push the price in the up direction. Okay. They couldn't able to close above. Again, they formed the independent candle below. Again, the second time they tried to hit this level, there also they got rejected. So all this action, okay, after hitting this level, price also try to break the important level, okay, so in the up direction. So that is when we revised our SL back to the cost once price comes and hit this level, okay. So if price had closed above this level, okay, so about 294.45 with the volume, if price had closed, we would have exited at cost, okay, directly. Before that, if it had taken our SL, that we can't avoid. So in case if just it has closed above and when it retraces back here, we would have exited at this level, okay. But luckily, it also got rejected here. The Swiss, the sellers who have comes here, they have taken the control of the price and they pushed the price down. Okay. So again, when it comes back here, we could see that it did not close below this important level. Okay. So that is when once price comes back here, so we revised our SL to the cost. So then waited. We could see the after that we have seen the reduction in the volume. Okay. So then again when the volume comes, so it started falling. So with the volume again this level also was broken. So they continue to fall and they have hit our target, which gives 3.5 reward. So this is how trade was entered and analysis was made before entering the trade. Okay. So we always should go with the trade. Okay. So and also we should always prefer the stocks which are already selected to trade in that particular direction. Okay, because SBI Life, ITC, and Bajaj Finserv, these three were the stocks which were selected to trade in the down direction. So that is why we will go to these three stocks only. Okay, once we decided to take the trade in the down direction, we will go to analyze only the stocks which were selected, which are listed for the down direction trade. Once these three fails to give any trade, okay, if these three stocks are not at our level or there is no clarity in the chart, okay, then we'll go to the stocks uh, which are in sideways, okay. So Apollo Hospital, Adani Ports, and Tata Consumer, these three were in sideways. they had the probability to move in any direction. Either they could have moved in the up direction or in the down direction. Okay. So once these three stocks, okay, these stocks try to give the entry, then we will go to these three stocks, and here we will study and analyze. Okay, if we get the trade, we will trade in these three stocks. Okay. The neutral stocks, which can probably move in any direction. Okay. So that is how studies will be conducted and the entry should be taken. So since we got our trade in the stock which was selected for the down direction alert, so we have taken the entry in this candle. Okay. This is how the ITC trade was done. Okay. Thank you.